Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Daisy. Today I'm going to show you how to make aloo gobi. My husband is going to cook and I will talk you through the recipe. So the ingredients are there on the screen. You can press pause to read it. We will need a medium sized cauliflower which we will cut in florets, and 3 potatoes which we will need to dice. Both these vegetables need to be fried until a light brown. We will need a handful of French beans which needs to be cut and then fried. We need to add a little bit of salt to these vegetables every time we fry them. The French bean can burn easily, so make sure you keep a close eye on them. While the vegetables are frying, we will grind a piece of ginger and 3 cloves of garlic. Now that the French beans are done, we will fry a handful of green peas. The vegetables are now all ready. We will move on to making the gravy. So in a pan, heat a tiny little bit of oil and fry the slit green chilies. I'm using 3 to 4 green chilies in this recipe, but if you want it hotter, you can use a little bit more. So fry the chilies and set them aside. In a pan, heat a little bit of oil and fry some cumin seeds. Again, this is so easy to burn, so keep a close eye to it and keep stirring. It's now time to add the ginger and garlic and fry lightly. At this stage, I would like to keep the flame on medium heat. Add a chopped onion to it and fry again. This time the onion shouldn't be brown, it should just soften enough. Next to go in are the tomatoes. You could use fresh tomatoes or tin tomatoes. In this case, as you can see, we're using tin ones. At this stage, you could add your salt and thyme and let it cook. Now add the red chili powder or flakes, and it all depends on how hot you want it, so just adjust it to your liking. Add a tablespoon of coriander powder, followed by a glass of water so the gravy doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan, and give it a good consistency. It's now time to add the tablespoon of garam masala. We'll also add a teaspoon of turmeric powder, followed by a half a tablespoon of curry powder. At this point, we will leave the gravy to cook for a few minutes till you could see the oil separate from the gravy. The fragrance from the aromatic spices is beautiful. We will now add the vegetables because the gravy is ready, and mix it thoroughly so all the spices mix as well with the vegetables. At this point, if you feel you need to add a little bit or more of water, please do so. But this dish is supposed to be moist. The gravy shouldn't be too runny. Add your fried green chilies, chopped coriander leaves, and mix it all well. When stirring the vegetables, you have to be gentle because all the fried vegetables are quite tender and we don't want to crush them. Now cover the pan with a lid and let it simmer for 2-3 minutes, keeping the heat on low flame. And here we go, the aloo gobi is now ready. We can switch off the flame and we are ready to serve. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Please take care. Bye.